if you're experiencing an account sync issue in Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back to playing smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games server status page to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. This could refresh the connection to the servers and may resolve temporary sync issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you are playing on PC, use the game launcher Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for missing or corrupted files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, clearing the cache can help. Power off your console, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart. This can help reset any temporary issues affecting the game. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Rockstar Games support. Provide them with details about the issue, and they can assist you further in resolving the sync problem. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the account sync issue in Red Dead Redemption 2. If problems persist, stay updated with Rockstar's announcements for any potential fixes or updates.